Stop saying revenge. This word makes you sound way more powerful. Retribution. Pronounce it as retribution, with the main stress on the third syllable, byoo. It means punishment inflicted on someone as vengeance for a wrong or criminal act. After years of cheating honest citizens, the corrupt banker was finally sent to prison, facing the retribution he deserved. Instead of saying payback, say retribution to sound more advanced. Now it is your turn. Use the word retribution in a sentence and drop it in the comments. Follow for a brand new powerful word every single day.